4 seconds here. All right, and we are live. Good morning, Nick and everybody else.
Good morning. How's it going today?
It's going good.
So we're just talking about midnight level for YM. It's already touched it. And it looks like YM's bouncing a little right now at the open.
Yeah.
See what happens here. Oh, orders are all up above right now. Never mind, the orders just came on below. All right.
That was a turnaround.
Big wick up and then a whole lot of nothing.
Just get my view ups going here. Always first thing to do in the morning.
Oh, yeah.
MQ's pulling back a bit here. YM's starting to pop up again.
Just went up above the overnight VWAP. Got a pretty big green 3-minute candle here. Hit that overnight fair value gap and bounce down off it though.
We had a really big pop on YM, like pre-market, hey? Like 6:30 a.m.
Yep. I don't know what caused it, but that was a hell of a jump.
So yes down, NQ down, YM sort of trying to go up. Got a mixed bag this morning so far. Hey Darren, good morning. How you doing, sir? Lots of orders at 26,100 on NQ just got taken out. Here you go. YM's going up. Damn. I keep having my funded, like my group disconnected, and I accidentally took 4 contracts there, but made 400.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
You all right?
Yeah. What the heck, man? I swear I just enabled it. Like I literally just enabled it 2 seconds ago, but it wasn't enabled. I don't know. Sheesh, man. It's making that whole high, like that previous high, is just recovering, from that big bounce. Oof. NQ's just ripping down.
YM's just ripping up.
Yeah. So, I mean, we almost, that whole 630 bounce or whatever, it's doing exactly the same thing right now. Can't really touch it up here now, though.
Absolutely not.
Darren said his trade of 8's working okay. I did another test order. Yeah, mine seems to be working also.
Wow, NQ looks like it's sinking like a stone.
Big time, eh? We do have those previous day low down at 25,999.
I'm pulling back a little bit off that high.
Oh, okay, so I realized what happened is I tried to click funded on, but which is my copy trading group name. And then
gotcha.
I clicked the one contract or the one account that was like just above it. Because that was the one that was highlighted, and normally I never highlight that one. So I'm up 392 in that account. But the rest of them are only up. They're only up $80.
Lock that account out. You made your $300 on that account.
Yeah, I should I'll disconnect that one from the copy trader. 4,003. There we go. Jeez, nice. I'm not going to complain, but it was a lucky mistake, I guess.
Yeah.
Good thing I didn't get a pullback there. Sheesh. Okay, when that happens. So I got those 5 take profit trader accounts funded now, hey?
Did you?
Yeah. They're all brand new 50,000s. And then
start taking payouts from them.
Yeah, I hope so. And then I took a couple trades last night in my top 1 futures accounts. Copy traded those guys. 2 winners, $80 and $50. So I'm up 131 for those accounts.
Anybody's trading gold today, but we were talking earlier about the contract changeover. If you don't have it automatically set to do it, you're now on the GCJ 2026 contracts.
Oh, YM, man, what a beast. Like I was saying, though, can't really touch it now. It's just so close to the highs.
Yeah, I'm not
playing
around with that right now.
It could easily pull back, what is that, 80 points on that last candle? 312 to 403. So 80 points.
How many times have we seen YM move 200 points in a single candle? It's been more often than I feel comfortable with getting in at this price.
I can't believe I had 4 minis there. This, wow,
Lucky dog.
not lucky.
Gold's looking like a mixed bag. YM's looking like I don't want to touch it right now.
It's looking really good, but it's like scary at the same time, right?
Wait for this opening range to shake out a little bit before we start doing anything crazy. Did print a fair value gap down at 324, 325, somewhere around there, all the way down to 240. It's a big gap. A little bit too big for my liking.
Which one is that on YM?
On YM.
Yeah.
Looks like all the big orders are up at 49,500. We got 56 orders up there on the big contracts.
Geez, yes. NQ's kind of down at previous day low now. It could be an interesting area for a bounce, but
It's like YM starting to want to go up again.
yeah. Did a little pullback and kind of went higher and now pulled back again?
Back a little bit, but not not enough orders on the book to really.
Say it wants to go higher. There we go. NQ just took previous day low. NQ has a 4-hour bullish fair value gap at 25,930.
I'm gonna start looking at longs on YM around 325. Unless we get a big jump right here. Today's a day to keep it small, though.
Yeah, I'm thinking that too. Especially since all my accounts are looking pretty happy at the moment, so I don't really want to blow it away.
Yeah. Pullback I was looking for. Opening range is about to be set.
tempted to buy NQ down here. Because we're in that bullish fair value gap currently. It's a bullish fair value gap. But we haven't showed in much sign of slowing down yet on this down move.
I am just dumped.
Oh, wow, yeah. Big reversal. So I'm assuming you didn't take any trades yesterday either? Like I made $4,000 in my paper trading account on stream.
I took a trade on my IBKR account and made $500, but that was all I did. But luckily, Tradevate is now up and running again. The gold's dropping pretty well here. YM erased all of that gain.
Yeah, they're all kind of working together to go lower at the moment, eh?
Wow.
I gotta use the bathroom. Sorry, I'll be right back. I need to let this shake out too because this is a pretty wild price action right now.
I'm not taking anything right now.
I took one micro long on NQ there, and it was down like $50, like instantly. Ended up stopping it out, break even, but I'm just like, oh my god. There we go. Now the long is bouncing real nice. I would have been up probably 150 now. But I'll be right back.
And Q's bouncing nicely. Okay, so much for NQ bouncing nicely. Pulling straight back down again. There's a lot of action going on the book map right now. Orders down at 25,900. And I'm short in NQ. All the orders are still underneath on NQ, but it looks like it's getting a little resistance. Profit in at low of day, down at 910.50. Took it. $300. 22 accounts. I will take that. No real sign that NQ is giving up on this this downtrend here. 223 orders down at 900. Points below where it's at now, but that's pretty much nothing on YM. 3-minute on the YM, we're coming up to the VWAP. We're in the middle of a bearish fair value gap that was printed 7 minutes ago. Got two bearish fair value gaps inside a bullish fair value gap on the 5-minute. I'm not touching this. NQ's got orders down at 25,850. And YM's looking sporadic. Gold can go either way. ES is still looking bearish. It's looking like June and August micro gold contracts actually have quite a bit of volume.
Sorry about that. My stomach's actually been a little bit not doing very good last night. Did you get in any trades?
What was that?
Did you take any trades?
I did. I took a short on NQ, made $300 on 22 accounts.
Nice. Short?
So,
Oh, look at this. Wow, NQ. Pushing way down. That's a serious sell-off, man. Hey, Dad. Good morning. I didn't see this much of a pullback coming today, that's for sure.
I surely wasn't expecting it.
I am breaking the lows here. Yes. Holy crap. Yes, man. Just dumped. All of them just dumped.
They're all going in the same direction though, so that's a thing.
Yeah, I did. I took that long in that 4-hour fair value gap and ended up getting stopped out. Damn good thing I did. Or else I would have been like stopped in profit, but that would have been a dropping like a bad transmission, right, Luke?
Yeah.
Morning, Lafta. Today's a one and done day. Yeah, it could be, right? If you're short.
I am currently short NQ.
Nice.
Oh, and it's coming back. Come on, drop back down. Stop toying with me here.
That's those are big candles too, hey? Last candle was from 865 down to 794, so like 65-point candle. 75-point candle. 939, 864. Down 1.4% on NQ already.
Morning. Something happened overnight?
I don't know. I don't think so. I think we're just getting one of those pullbacks, but do we have any news? Natural gas at 10:30. Trump has a cabinet meeting at 11. And we got a bunch of earnings coming up. Pizza, Apple. We're in a new 4-hour fair value gap on NQ.
I'm going to lock in $100 of profit on this short.
Nice. Good job. This sounds like the responsible decision.
I'm trying to make responsible decisions.
Either you're going to make a little bit of money or you're going to make a little bit of more money.
Yeah, rectamundo.
I got in along on YM. It's bouncing here. Two micros across my 5 funded accounts there. Kind of bouncing up. We're up about $20 right now. Pulling back. Might break. Yeah, break even there. Unfortunately, Microsoft dragging down the benchmark with the 10% drop, which would be its worst one-day slide since March 2020. Okay, yeah, that could affect the market. Too bad I wasn't a little more aggressive on that stop loss there. Could have at least got a little bit more money out of that. Yeah,
Right.
550.
Got out of that one. So that was my second trade of the day. Made a grand total of $123.
Nice.
NQ or MNQ short.
Pretty some indecision right now on this current NQ candle here. Can't decide if it wants to go up or down. Just hanging out at this 800 level.
Some reason my book map isn't recentering for me.
Oh yeah. Delaying a bit.
No, it's just not recentering at all. A little bit of a bounce on NQ.
Yeah.
But there's still a bunch of orders down at 750, so I'm not really getting excited about it yet.
Yeah. I was short. I made $10 on that. I dragged my stop in, and now it's looking like it wants to go a little bit lower. Officially have quadrupled my live account since starting this account this month. No sim monies here. Nice, Lafta. That's awesome.
That is incredible. So I got my NQ short in at 795.75.
Damn, Zach just blew his 10 PA accounts, his Apex PA accounts.
Oh no.
He made like 3 or 4 trading mistakes this morning on stream. Like accidentally went in with minis, and then he went long with micros, and it instantly dropped down on him hard. And then he again made another mini mistake.
You need to lay off. Need to lay off the reefer in the morning.
Yeah. That's too bad though.
Yeah, that's shitty.
That's rough. That's rough.
All right, made another $50 in the take profit accounts.
Nice.
On a NQ short. Got out of it, started pulling back up. Which it's doing again.
Ooh, there's quite a bounce there on NQ now. Covered that. More calls on Microsoft than puts. Luke said. What did you link there? Live ES bookmap. Okay, nice.
Gold is still dropping too. You know what? I've taken 3 trades today.
Yeah.
Up like 22 accounts, $300 each, 300 and change.
Nice.
And then another 5 accounts for $50. So I think I am done for the day. Not liking anything going on here.
It's pretty wild.
And I have an appointment to get to anywho's. So Dave, I will see you tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow I'll be on, but I'm moving tomorrow, so I'm gonna have some extra work to take care of.
All right. Well, I am not moving tomorrow, so I will see if I can handle taking over for you.
I'll be on, but yeah.
All right. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, Darren. You take care too. Stay green. I'll see you all tomorrow.
Have a good day, Nick. See ya. Are you taking a call on Microsoft there, Luke? NQ's pulling back down here. We got these orders 25.750 below. There we go. NQ just went right through those lows. Damn, guys. Look at this push lower. Whew. We do have natural gas coming up in 15 minutes, but that shouldn't really have much effect on us here today, guys. How is ES looking right now? The sky is falling. Look out. We're all the way down on ES to like a key daily fair value gap, or daily point of control. I bet, not fair value gap. Take a look at this. We do have a 4-hour fair value gap, a little bit lower on NQ or ES, sorry, 69.30 area. Pretty risky trading right now. Bitcoin's shit in the bed too, eh? You're hunting along on BTC, okay. What's it? 85K, hey? Whoa, that's pretty low. Bitcoin drops below 86,000 for the first time since September. What a dump. Everything's dumping. Big profit taken today. It was 88K earlier today. Oh, wow, yeah. What a dump. So it was up at 90,000, sort of like yesterday's New York time. So, whew, $5,000 down in a day, basically. Hey, Czar. Such a beauty on NQ. Obviously, you took short. You've been short, obviously. Looks like it. I'm long on NQ here, guys. Why isn't it showing here? I'm in the wrong account. Need to log in with my other trade evade here. There we go. I'm long. I got my stop and profit here. If we get much higher here, I'm probably gonna lock it in. We're getting a little resistance up at the 80s here. Let's see if we can pop through that. There we go. Gonna bring my stop up to like 75 here. Just guarantee me a nice win there. So I made 51 on my 500 accounts there. Don't want to take any more reversal trades though now. Reversal trade right now is pretty risky. Metals are nasty today, hey? Yeah. I don't know if you guys noticed too, but you got to switch over your gold contract, right? To the J. I was noticing there was big gaps between the price yesterday on gold. Like, what is going on here? And yeah. I gotta update. I guess silver changed too, right? As soon as the other one. Silver SILJ, I think. SILJ 26. There we go. Big bounce there on ES, guys. We tapped into that key daily point of control that I have marked on my chart here. I'll show you guys real quick. So I went to the daily chart, and then I pulled a volume profile, and then I got this level. Let's see if it still is accurate. It's a little bit higher actually now. I guess I could have, let me just double check. I think I maybe pulled it from here, from this area. Oops. Yeah, it's a little bit, it was there, but I guess it's been pushing up higher. It's a bit higher now. Locked out 150K count, up 1,600. Nice, Keith. Wow. Killer job. I'm getting used to printing those bigger numbers, saying that 150K. Good job. It's like you're on a train just plowing through that account. Nice job. Good job, good job. Love to see when you guys make comments where you're green, good trades. YM had a pretty big bounce there. NQ's bouncing even better now. Got to be careful now. Only 2K per pass here. Yeah. Yeah, just slow it down a little bit and, be patient for your trades. But yeah, I'm stoked if you can pass that one because those 150K accounts are pretty sweet accounts. Who is it with? Is it Top Step? I think that's who you will mostly trade with, right? Yeah, you're a Top Step guy. LOL. I was looking at getting some accounts there. I literally had it open. See, I had it open here. I was looking at buying a 50K EVOP yesterday. So I kind of got lucky this morning, guys. I don't know if you heard earlier, but I went long with 4 minis by accident. on was it? I think it was YM. Was it YM? Yeah, I think it was YM, and it was supposed to be copy traded across 4 accounts. So I was gonna have 1 mini in each 4 accounts, and it was because a copy trader was disconnected. It was 4 minis in 1 account, so I ended up making 350 on that trade in 1 account. But so I got pretty lucky on that trade, that's for sure. But damn. Lucky. Could have gone the other way. Not really sure what to do. We did hold that bearish fair value gap on the 4 hours so far, but there's still like 3 hours left on the candle, so it's not a guarantee. We got so many bearish fair value gaps above, you know, it's pretty hard for us to push through these levels. Metals are definitely nasty, hey? Everything's pretty nasty, actually. NQ, like, as long as you got short, you could have, you know, I was slow to jump in on the NQ shorts, basically. But yeah, it's looking really good. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a bounce up to like 940, 933, 930 area, and then reject. But VWAP's actually 896, so maybe 900 would be a pretty key level there. Because we got this inverted fair value gap right there. We're sitting in this bullish 4-hour fair value gap. Let's see if I can shrink these a bit so you can see the end. Pulling back here, NQ just kind of didn't really touch into this fair value gap, but right at the edge of it. We do have orders down at 700. 700 down here, sort of the lows. They might go sweep those lows here. We end up getting another bounce. So I think part of the reason we're getting such a big sell-off, guys, is the U.S. just put all their work jets to the Middle East. So they could be doing some attacks on the Middle East here. So that would cause a lot of uncertainty in the market, right? And they're talking about shutdowns in the government. So I think there's a lot of uncertainties. It kind of makes sense why we'd be getting such a big sell-off. And it kind of makes me think this sell-off might not be over yet either. Because we're down? We're down 1.6% already. Let's give that a bit. Natural gas news coming up here in 10 seconds. Initial balance is set. Damn, guys. Tried to take a short. Looking like we were going to rip through the lows there. And then it just instantly bounced on me here. So I'm going to see if we can't just get out of this trade. If we can get back to relatively close to break even here. I was expecting momentum to continue, but it's kind of just stalled out right at the lows. Could just reverse this whole right back to the top of this candle here, which would be not very nice. Finding some resistance there at the 750 level. We're going to sweep those lows here. Looking to get my stop in here if we get a little push. There we go. Okay, actually, I made $6, fortunately, but I regretted getting into that trade, so I decided to get out. Not a very smart trade, to be honest. Kind of FOMO'd into that one. So, if I ever find myself taking a trade where I, thinking, like, looking back, feel like I'm FOMO'd, and I'm just looking to get out. So, take the risk off the table. Made a bad decision there. So, I mean, there's a good chance it might go lower still here, but like, really, I shouldn't be selling the low, right? To go lower, like, it's just asking for trouble. So, hopefully, you guys didn't take that trade with me. Switch up this song here. Let's get something a little bit more there we go. That's a little more positive. Well, we did sweep the lows there, guys. But like I said, that was just not the best decision-making process for me there. It's pretty too risky, you know. I'm gonna pull the fixed range volume profile on this one here to see if it's still. Yeah, daily POC is still accurate on this one, so we're just at that right now. Look at these 4 hours fair value gaps down here still. Butcher. There's my Butcher Futures registered, and there's my Day Butcher Discord. So I ended up winning another account, guys, from Zach's stream yesterday. I couldn't trade, but I ended up winning an account. It's pretty awesome. So I got to just send the message to Proffer and Match. Wow, guys, NQ just won't let go here. Looking back, man, I wish I didn't stop that out, hey? But, you know, like I said, when I just don't feel right about the trade, like, I always just look to get out. I mean, we can always find more trades later. That was definitely, like, a FOMO trade. So we're in a bullish 4-hour fair value gap on ES right now. And Q's pushing lower still, guys. What the heck here? Oh, this coffee's tasting good. Oh, guys, yeah, still pushing lower here. Careful. NQ's pushing lower. Doesn't look like they want to stop anytime soon. We got these two bullish for value gaps we're currently in on ES. NQ, let's look back at the NQ. NQ ripped through the most recent fair value gaps. Pretty scary, actually, guys. Definitely be careful out there. Swept through the. Oh, we do have a time frame. Is this one here? 4 hour. We do have one more bullish fair value gap below NQ. Down at 509, 25, 509. It's kind of like short or nothing right now, guys, but it's like, damn, we're so extended. Like, could just get that bounce anytime here. I don't know what to do here, guys. 7:45. I do have to take off a little bit early today. I got some stuff to take care of. So might wrap it up here in about 15 or 17 minutes. Are you guys taking any trades right now? Or are you guys flat? What's going on over there? Got 6 people in the channel. I'm assuming it's still the same usual. Darren, Keithzar, Lafta, Luke, my dad. I think. We do have, if we get down to the 510, maybe we're going to find some support at the 510. But I just, again, it's like, where do you short this? It just keeps pushing lower. There's not much of a pullback, anything. I guess our entry for a continuation would be this this fair value gap that got inverted. Could have shorted that. Okay, ES is now getting into that second bullish fair value gap. Take a look at the ES book here. MES. Let's get this guy over to MES. It's a daily chart. Kind of want to try a long on ES. A little bit more of a bounce around, yes. That movement there. 13 to 19, 6 points. NQ, let's see. NQ's down over 2%, guys. Sheesh. Trying a little long here on the ES. Gonna be pretty aggressive on my stop as usual. See if we can't get a little more continuation here. Pop it up here, guys. Let's go. Let's go ES. Uh-oh. I don't like that. One micro, not going too crazy. Pretty risky trades down here, buying the lows. So see if we can't lock in a little bit of money here. Hopefully get a little more push up. Uh-oh. Come on, yes. Let's get a pop. Give us a pop. Thinking about adding here in this fair value gap. Look like we're kind of holding it right now. Uh-oh. Come on, buyers. Let's hold this up. Need the buyers to hold this here. Down 38 in this. It's not looking very good at the moment. So we print a bit of a green candle here. Uh-oh. Took the lows, guys. That's not good. Making a new low here. Yeah, it's not looking very good. Might be taking a loss on this trade here. Going to give it a little bit more space here just so we can see if we get a reaction off the bottom of this fair value gap. But if we can keep pushing below this fair value gap, definitely you want to get out. basically down $30 after my profits here. If we, I got $50 profit in this account, so if I end up taking a loss here, it's going to be under $100 loser. And it looks like it's just going to keep going lower here, guys. A bit of a bounce here, but not looking too excited about the bounce here. Probably just going to take me out here in a sec. I'm in lower. Probably gonna stop me here. Am I gonna get lucky? Seems like the buyers are trying to hold this right here. It stopped out there, guys. So I'm down $80 in that account now. Fortunately, that's too bad. So fair value gap. I mean, it's not that it's over. Like, this could still bounce, but obviously I entered too early there. Make sure we flatten everything. That's too bad. I wish I didn't give that $50 back and then lose 80. Sounds like Trump's going to be coming on here in a few minutes, so that's a thing to be aware of. Yeah, where's the bottom on this, right, Luke? Who knows? Pretty wild. Well, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. Sorry, it's been a bit of a short stream today, but yeah, just not really sure what to do here. I mean, I took trying to buy this and just kind of get chopped up a bit here. Little hard to take it short to go lower, although trend is your friend. So yes, sir. Yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's just wrap it up. So all good. Thanks everybody for tuning in. The usuals: Darren, Luke, Keith, Zar, my dad, Lafta, and was that it? I think that's everybody. So good to see you guys. Thanks a lot, and yeah, see you tomorrow. We'll be live back again tomorrow morning with Nick in the morning. So hopefully we'll have a bit of an easier day to trade. I mean, this wasn't a bad day. It's kind of like it's going to get short early. It's getting pretty risky now. So all right, guys, you guys have a good day. We'll see you tomorrow.